Hello, I'm Simon and I'm running some kit tests today that I thought I would share with you. So let me explain what we've got here. First of all, my camera, Sony FX9, broadcast quality 4K video camera. We've got the video coming out via the SDI cable into my LiveU LU300Se, which is the blue box you can see there. And then we're connecting that via this Ethernet cable to a Starlink Mini, which is being powered with a built-in battery pack. Let me quickly explain what's going on here. So the camera itself is outputting video, as I say, into the LiveU. The blue box, the LiveU, is a bonded cellular encoder. So this piece of kit enables me to send video anywhere in the world that is either to the web or to broadcasters. At the moment you can see we're transmitting. Let me zoom in a little bit and you can see transmitting at a data rate of almost 12 megabits a second. The LiveU, as I said, is connected to the Starlink. What you will notice though on the top of the LiveU is those two little cables going into black boxes. So this LiveU, the 300Se, is one of the less expensive models. It enables you to bond 4 connections. So that is 2 USB modems, Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Where I am at the moment, there's no 4G connection, so we're just connected Ethernet just via the Starlink Mini. And I'll come back to that in a second. As I say, the LiveU kind of does the job of what a satellite truck used to do. By bonding these multiple Internet Protocol IP connections, it enables me to send my video pretty much anywhere. With the addition of the Starlink dish, that is literally pretty much anywhere now. So what you're looking at is a really neat, tiny little kit. The Starlink, and I'm just going to quickly take you around to show you the battery, which we've got mounted on the back of that. I've got a couple of those batteries. They're really useful. Just means that I can be completely portable with all this kit without having to have it plugged into the mains. The video that the LiveU box there is encoding is being converted to data. That data then goes up via the Starlink dish that you're seeing there to the Starlink satellites that are in space. It then bounces it back down to Earth, and then that video heads into Norwich, into a data centre, actually the Norwich data centre, where I have one of my servers, a LU300Se, which is a LiveU multimedia hub, racked up and connected via fibre. That video then is being sent as RTMP, which is a format which you can send video to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, those sort of things. So if you're watching video on the web, it's possibly live video, it's going to be RTMP. The LiveU server can also send video out via SDI, which is a video connection, or NDI, which is a video over network type connection. It also does some other smart things. So if I want to share video that I'm filming here, I can share it with other people. However, this unit, the LU300Se, does that itself. So at the moment you can see it's connected to Simon Beer TV, which is my LiveU server. However, this unit can also connect to other broadcasters, BBC IT, BTRT, all sorts of people, all broadcasters around the world. So with this one box I can stream to TV, to broadcasters live, and also I can go to the web, to Facebook, YouTube and the like live as well. The reason for this test is that the Starlink has what I consider to be a slight issue, and that is as the satellites change, because don't forget there's lots of Starlink satellites up there in space. As the satellites change, the data rate yo-yos, so it goes up and down. So whilst at the moment we're streaming there at a very respectable 12 megabits a second, that can change. So it can drop down quite dramatically. It can drop to sort of 2 meg or 4 meg or somewhere like that. In this test I'm seeing it dropping sort of to 2 meg, but then very quickly coming back up to 12 meg. What the benefit of the LiveU unit is, and you can see just there, top right hand corner, it says 1.8 seconds, is the LiveU introduces a delay. LiveU use something called LRT, which is LiveU Reliable Transport. If we do lose data packets, it will resend those through to my receiving server, as I said, which is in Norwich at the moment, racked out, Norwich data centre, and then it will put that video back together. So that 1.8 second, or I can make it greater, or I can actually reduce it down to about 600 milliseconds, I believe, delay. So that delay can be adjusted just to compensate for the network conditions. Effectively, what we've got here is an all-in-one kit that can broadcast video from pretty much anywhere on the planet the Starlink will work from. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions on this kit, how it works, or any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.